everyone, this is Arif. Now I am going to say about image repair and restoration. Remove objects from your photos with the content aware fill. The content aware fill workspace provides you an interactive editing experience to achieve seamless results. You get control over the sampling area that is used by the content aware technology to fill the selected portion of the image and several other settings to adjust the fill result. You also get a live full resolution preview of the changes and an option to output the result to a new layer. This is the picture. Here we can increase and decrease the opacity size. This is the clear picture. Launch the content aware fill workspace. Open an image in Photoshop. Use any selection tool to select a part of the image you want to fill. Choose edit and then click content aware fill. Photoshop launches the content aware fill workspace. Within the content aware fill workspace, the document window displays the default sampling area as an overlay mask over the image. You can use tools provided in the tools panel to modify the sampling area and your initial selection of the fill area. In the content aware fill panel, you can specify sampling options, fill settings and output settings to get the desired fill result in the image. As you make changes, the preview panel displays a live full resolution preview of the output. Use tools to fine tune sampling and fill areas. Sampling brush tool. Use the sampling brush tool to add to or remove from the sampling area used to fill the selection. Paint over the image in the document window. This is the picture, image and restoration. Modify the sampling area using the sampling brush tool. This is the clear image. To add the default sampling area, choose the add mode in the tool options bar and brush over the areas in the image you want to include in the sampling overlay. To remove from the default sampling area, choose the subtract mode in the tool options bar and brush over the areas in the image you want to exclude from the sampling area overlay. To toggle between add and subtract modes, hold down a Alt Windows or Option Mac key while brushing with the sampling brush tool. To increase or decrease the sampling brush size, use the size option in the tool options bar or use the left or right click bracket keys. Lasso tool and polygonal lasso tool. Use any of these selection tools to change or modify your original selection fill area in the document window. This is the picture. This is the picture of lasso or polygonal lasso tool. Lasso tool and polygonal lasso tool in the content aware fill workspace work just like the corresponding tool in the Photoshop. Use the keyboard shortcut E to cycle modes for lasso tools. New selection, add to selection, subtract from selection and intersect with selection. The content aware fill workspace provides two additional tool options for lasso tools. Expand the content. You can click these options in the tool options bar to expand or contrast the selection by a specified number of pixels. To reset all changes made in workspace to the original selection, click the reset button icon in the tool options bar. This is the picture to reset. This is the image icon. Hand tool. Use this tool to pan over different parts of the image in the document window and the image preview in the preview panel. You can switch to hand tool quickly by pressing the H key while using any other tool. Zoom tool. Use zoom tool to magnify or reduce the view of the image in the document window or the image preview in the preview panel. Zoom tool in the content aware fill workspace works just like the corresponding tool in Photoshop. To change the magnification in the preview panel, you can also drag the zoom slider or type a value in the text box at the Bottom of the panel. Adjust content aware fill settings. You can adjust the following settings in